Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about whether this pizza is healthy or unhealthy. Is pizza is very unhealthy option or we can consider it as healthy? Should we eat pizza for taste or sometimes, or what is a healthy way of eating pizza? So let's see how we can use Ayurveda principles while eating pizza. I get many questions about this. I love pizza, my child loves pizza, my daughter loves pizza, I love pizza, my father loves pizza, and you keep saying in your videos, you know, this all fast food, this, that, pizza, burger, you always keep mentioning. So is it really so bad to eat? Because it is so tasty and we want to eat it. Like we always have argument about healthy food, unhealthy food at home, and everybody wants to eat pizza. So what is the truth? Like what is reality? Don't you eat ever pizza? Don't you like pizza? So about me, I also like pizza, but different kind of pizza. Pizza can be pizza from where? Because Italy, pizza has come into, like, you know, pizza thing. If you see like rice and lentils, everything is from India. Meals, there are certain meals which are born in India. Similarly, pizza has been born in Italy. So now the thing is, at least in my knowledge, like pizza and Italy are very much related, European countries you can say. Now the thing is it like Italy, the traditional people of Italy, they are also making pizza in the same way how it is now served in India in various kind of these factories and various kind of these selling counters and various kind of these processed food counters. So this is only known as pizza? It is the only taste? I am not against taste of other countries' food, like, you know, continental, or it is always good to taste other countries' food. It always good to enhance our wisdom. It's always good to enhance our food culture. It's always good. But the thing is, there traditionally how pizza was made, the dough that they were using, that is thin crust dough. And if you talk to some of the Italy people who are very rooted or traditional, you will get to know like how they are making the dough. They are making the dough with whole grain flour, like who are health conscious, whole grain flour. Then they are using fresh vegetables over it. They know the technique how to make mozzarella cheese at home. They use the spice that is known as oregano while making pizza. And those pizzas are oven cooked and packed with fresh vegetables, fresh cheese, fresh kind of capsicum. Everything is fresh in that pizza, and they are just make a dough with that pizza by hand. With hand they are making dough, you know, traditional way. And then on this dough they put some vegetables, mozzarella cheese, and tomato sauce. So tomato sauce also they are using their homegrown tomatoes, and layer of that, and then layer of capsicum, layer of some whatever vegetables you like, because different pizza contains different time corns, sometimes olives, sometimes this or that, any kind of toppings, any kind of filling, but everything homegrown ingredients, everything freshly cooked, everything fresh. So this way when you are cooking and eating this kind of pizza, even you can eat 2-3 pizzas, nothing will happen depending on your hunger. Even whole dinner can contain only pizza, nothing will happen. But I am against those pizzas which are processed pizzas, like somebody has made pizza and it has been packed for 6 months, 8 months, and they have added a lot of preservatives, and now to enhance taste and enhance color they are putting Ajinomoto in that, they are putting mayonnaise in that. So all these kind of things, they makes pizza unhealthy. It is not pizza as it is unhealthy. Pizza is a healthy thing, where it was made, how traditionally it was made, if it is made with home cooked ingredients, homemade ingredients, farm fresh ingredients, this kind of pizza is totally considered healthy. It is not against Ayurveda principles. But Organo is not something which is Ayurveda is totally against. Vegetables are not something which if they are well cooked, or even it is if they are well cooked, Ayurveda is saying okay it is bad. Whole grain flour, white flour of course Ayurveda doesn't support. Whole grain flour if they are using, that is also quite healthy. So this kind of pizza which is freshly made, freshly cooked with home ingredients, fresh cheese, everything, this is good. We Ayurveda principles are against those pizzas which are being sold in this market these days, which are like ready-made pizza. Pizza was made I don't know 6 months before and they are serving you today. Everything, the dough is packed, it is made 6 months before and now just you need to take it, put some vegetables over it and heat in the oven. Or even vegetables are cut 2 days old. 2 days old vegetables are being cut, or even cooked 2 days old vegetables they are putting on the pizza, and these vegetables you are eating along with a lot of preservatives, because of course some dough if you have to prepare, if you have to preserve for 6 months, of course you need to put some chemicals over it, you need to put some preservatives over it, because it is not fresh anymore. So this kind of pizza when you are eating, it turns out into a junk food, because the pizza itself is not a junk food, but once you eat this processed pizza which has zero pranic value, which has no whole grain flour, which has just ingredients that are bad for health, some very old vegetables they are using, every tomato sauce they are using which is we don't know age old. So this kind of ingredients which you are using, this kind of pizza definitely it is not good for health. And this kind of processed food if you are eating daily without knowing what are the ingredients written over it, what is its preservatives, what are the short forms of preservatives which are being written over it, how they have preserved it, how have they have processed it. Without knowing these things, we are just going and just, because of course some food is if 6 months old, you need to add taste enhancers in it, otherwise 6-month old food it will smell bad without preservative. You will not eat that 6-month old food, but you need to add some added colors to make it beautiful. You will add some lot of this preservatives, added colors, flavors, so that it will soothe your tongue. This kind of pizza which is processed pizza, that is not good for your health. But if you want to share the happiness of pizza, you should learn how to make pizza. And pizza making is not a very difficult thing. Simple pizza with whole grain ingredients, what is the authentic Italy pizza that you can make at home, like whole grain dough and some seasoned vegetables, like seasonal vegetables, fresh, and cut them, cook them, and tomatoes that is also homegrown or from the immediately from the market, and make it, cut them, and then use these tomatoes, then oregano, then homemade cheese you put. This kind of pizza is very delicious and very satisfying, and it's a very satisfying for you. You will not feel hunger. It is just like a full grain meal. It's very tasty and very healthy. So Ayurveda is not against pizza, but yes, Ayurveda is against the processed food which you are which people are selling in the market just for commercial purpose, and it is a play with our health. But if the demand in the market for the fresh pizzas will increase, if people will become more aware like how to buy fresh, just demand is more, then supply will be more, then those companies who are making pizza like this, they will start making fresh pizzas, because if demand will be like this, then supply will be like that. It is just like we are not much aware what we want, what is good for us, and that's why companies are also not taking much effort. So that's all about pizza, which I wanted to share. So I'm not against pizza, but I am against the processed pizza. Homemade pizza you can always enjoy and have a good family time, enjoying pizza alone or with family or friends or whatever. So if you ask me what could be the Ayurvedic recipe of pizza, the dough will be whole grain flour, broccoli it can be, capsicum you can use, cheese which you call tofu cheese, mozzarella cheese, homemade you can make. So everything can be homemade, but yes, it will be needed more efforts from family. Everybody has to put some effort if everybody wants to try healthy pizza. And for flavor, you can use little bit of pepper, oregano, and little bit of salt in it. So this way, and which salt? Sandhav namak, that is sandhav salt, that is pink salt. So this kind of salt is more healthy. So I hope you can enjoy this kind of pizza and make it well cooked, like steam it well, and or you can cook it in oven, the traditional ovens, how in Italy they were making. So this kind of pizza is very healthy, or you can use Indian tawas also and cook it under steam. So this way also pizza can be easily cooked. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. If you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. You who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.